वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 9th इंग्लिश के लेसन 3.2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्पॉट द एरर इन द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स विद रेफरेंस टू द पैसेज एंड रीराइट देम करेक्टली। आंसर, रिनाउंड, ज्योमेट्रिक, पेंटिंग, विलेज। फीचर्स, फिगर्स, इनर, मीडियम। Tribal, mythology, earthen, decided. Circles, achieving, different. Second question, complete the following with reference to the passage. Characteristic features of Raza's painting. Answer, simple geometric shape, striking color combination, captivating composition, colors blue and orange. Third question, complete the following diagram. Answer, developed and preserved by the Gond tribal people. Second है a medium of recording and preserving what is seen. Next question, complete the following with reference to the passage. First है Raza's painting do not depict. Answer, lifelike human figures or copies of scene from his environment. Next, Raza's painting are done in the dash style. Answer, abstract. Next, Raza's painting are not inspired by. Answer, any external factor. Next, Raza's painting present images from his own. Answer, inner mind. Next, Raza's painting radiate. Answer, peace and life at the same time. Next, the dash become the core of Raza's painting. Answer, bindu or point. Next, for an artist like Raza, his work or painting are an effective. Answer, medium of communication. Next question, write about the following important features of Gond art with the help of the passage. Answer, natural colors available in various things around the house are used in Gond art. The different colors, various textures and patterns were used year after year. The outlines may vary a little from artist to artist, but the pictures are lively and attractive. The designs include simple textures using dots, straight lines, dotted lines, curvy shapes and circles. Special attention is given to the choice of colors. Next question. Why does the author think that the roots of folk art lie in women's chores? Answer. The author thinks that the roots of folk art lie in women's chores because in the earlier days they took up the responsibility of decorating the house. They also handled the household chores and dealt with natural elements from which different colors could be prepared. Through innovation, they effectively use the natural resources available to them in various ways to develop the tradition of folk art forms. Thus, their creativity and dedication towards building a prosperous household have kept the tradition of folk art alive for all these years. Seventh question, from the passage, list the words related to geometry. Answer, dots, straight lines, dotted lines, curvy shapes, circles. नेक्स्ट है कलर. आंसर, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ब्लू ऑरेंज. नेक्स्ट है डिज़ाइन. आंसर, कैनवस, सरफेस, टेक्सचर्स, पैटर्न्स, आउटलाइंस. एट क्वेश्चन, these two passages are examples of a short introduction to works of art. A short review, they cover the following points: the creator, the theme or subject matter, type of art, individual style, presentation techniques, its effects on viewers, message or interpretation. Compare the points with those you are used for a book review and the review of a play. Present a comparison in the form of a chart. आंसर है, बुक रिव्यू में है थीम, प्लॉट, स्टाइल ऑफ नरेशन, कैरेक्टर्स, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्टोरी, मैसेज कन्वे. रिव्यू ऑफ प्ले में है थीम, प्लॉट, जॉनरा ऑफ थिएटर, कैरेक्टर, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्टोरी, एक्टिंग एंड म्यूजिक, सेट्स एंड प्रॉपर्टीज, मैसेज कन्वे. रिव्यू ऑफ पेंटिंग में है थीम, टॉपिक, स्टाइल ऑफ पेंटिंग, नीटनेस ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स, कलर्स यूज, मैसेज कन्वे. Ninth question, using the information given in the passage, write a short note on the following in your mother tongue. फर्स्ट है द पेंटिंग ऑफ रजा, सेकंड है गोंड आर्ट. स्टूडेंट, ये क्वेश्चन आपको अपनी मदर टंग में लिखना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, गैदर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बाय टॉकिंग टू योर एल्डर फैमिली मेंबर्स and from other sources in your mother tongue and write a short note on it in English. First है special type of embroidery, a special dish that is prepared on a special occasion at home, something that you use to decorate your home on special occasion. इसका आंसर आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. Next question. Read the following from the language study pages. Adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. Find one example of each from the passage. Note the linking word when you do that. Answer. Adverb clause. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. Linking word is when. Noun clause. We realize that the painting is a visible form of very deep thought. Linking word is that. Adjective clause. The design that fill it make the whole picture look lovely and attractive. Linking word is that. स्टूडेंट यहाँ हमारे लेसन 3.2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.